Another way you can incorporate literacy throughout your program is to think about what literacy skills the children will be learning in school at the time. For example, if you're working with a younger group that needs to practice their alphabet, you can ask while they're standing in line during a transition time to come up with some letters that start with the sound B and say, what letter is that? B. What are some words we can think of that start with B? Bee, buzz, so on and so forth. You could also ask them to not count off, but instead do letters of the alphabet. If they're learning about prepositions, or not even knowing the word preposition, but understanding what it means, what different prepositions mean, you can play follow the leader. So they're following the leader, and the leader says we're going under the picnic table. So then we all go under the picnic table. Or we're going across the field or down the slide. It's a great way for them to be kinetically involved and having a great time, but also practicing understanding what those words mean. If they're practicing understanding story structure and understanding what comes first, second, and third, have them explain the next game that you're going to play. Even if it's a gym game that most of the kids know, they can then explain it in a way that makes sense, starting at the beginning, explaining what the goals are, and then step by step. That gives them a great way to take charge and a good way to practice beginning, middle, and end. If they need to practice writing in complete sentences, you can have it in an art project where once they finish the art project, they write a quick summary about what inspired them, why they chose to do that, a little information about the artist, and that's a fun way to post and display your art throughout the program as well.